Yes, you are.
Okay. Yes, you are.
I will.
Wake up and smile.
There's a stone I found on it.
What?
Come on, Mom.
No, you're not, Haley.
Get over here, Mom.
Yeah, now this door handle was on here when I went to pick it up. As soon as I pulled it, it came off. So I'll replace it for you if you want me to. I'll buy one and send one to you.
I'll say duct
I
tape.
don't have any problem with that, but I mean,
Duct tape.
it's got beds everywhere on it.
Yeah, yep.
What do you plan on
Okay,
doing
Mom.
with it?
Am I late? Give me a me.
Hi, Haley.
This is the car. Get the hell out of here.
My sister, she chased me for me.
I have a Cobalt too.
Now it makes sense to me because I looked
Right
at this
over
car and
there.
said,
Yep.
what am I?
Storm chaser, and she ripped.
I have my Cobalts right parked up there.
Now it makes sense to me because I saw it all dented up, like, I guess from hail hitting it or something, you know?
Yep.
I'm saying to myself, I don't know why anybody would pay me to bring this thing out here.
Because I have a 2008 Cobalt. It's, you know, blue. It's 4-door, so.
This thing's got brand new tires on it. I mean, the
Wow.
tires on it are perfect.
Yeah, you probably have a host with this on it, brewer and stuff.
Yeah, that's the car.
Yep,
Yes.
That's the
Get
car.
out of here. I didn't know that.
That's the car.
See, now I'm like, oh shit, I wish I would have known it. I would have showed everybody.
Yeah.
I should have said something. But I figured you didn't know the show, because no one really knows the show. We retell it. I never heard of it.
No,
Why is
know
there
it.
duct tape?
Oh, I don't know.
How can I grab it?
This is my niece Haley, so.
Hi, Haley, how are you? Wow, that's what, now it makes sense to me. All right, now it makes I was telling my friend, I said, I don't know if they know what the condition of this car
Oh,
is.
yeah.
Okay.
So I chase, you know, I've been chasing. I
How you been chasing stars,
Yep.
huh? Wow, that's exciting, huh?
do all kinds of weather and.
Do you?
Yep. Mom of
How'd you get
two.
into that?
I've always been into it. Whenever I was a toddler, like
Uh-huh.
my mom used to have to bring me in, and then whenever we used to get a storm, but I've always been into chasing.
No kidding. So you like the movie Twister and all that? You like all that stuff?
Yeah, well, I watched it.
Oh, no kidding. That's awesome.
Yep.
So very good.
I don't know if you checked the mileage on the car.
Mommy is missing the envelope.
Hades, careful. Hades, remember me, okay?
Wow. Now it makes sense to me. I didn't understand the whole thing. I looked at this car and said, you
Manners.
kidding me.
Hey, Mom.
What, sweetheart?
This car's junk. The front end looks terrible.
I've got no need to worry. I've got no room for doubt. No matter what's
Or is this yours?
All of ours.
Mommy, are you gonna try this?
It's all of ours. It's,
I can't wait to get in that baby. I can live with having Coco. Hi, Coco. Can we be with Mom? I was scared because
This is like-
to see this.
is the Pope Catholic? I even had Wake Up and Smile playing.
We're playing
Move up, Isaac.
I am here.
Okay.
I'm sitting right on this wood.
Oh.
Stop it.
Ding, 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 ding.
Well, this is the most wrecked up car I've ever seen. That exhaust smells good.
wake up and smile.
You want me to go up?
Oh, yeah.
Like a whole thing. It's a snap. So you could
I just saw on the front bumper.
Okay, it cuts up.
News.
Yeah, well, duct tape. We have stuff over here.
Tape.
Yep.
You are an idiot.
Zach.
Easy, easy. Stop it.
Zach, knock it off.
This is how the way. Strong in the bay.
Love.
But I can't wait to get to outside.
Don't keep on it. Well, at least I can do most of the day.
Yeah, you know.
Mama.
I am.
Take a look at it.
Oh, this
break the brand new
OMG,
one.
this
Okay.
Tofo's looking so good!
Mom, that's why you so told me good cake.
Put a camera holder on it.
Oh, yeah, it's a GoPro. I have one just like that. I've got one in mind.
This duct tape. Georgie, can you open the driver's side door?
Yeah, I think it's stupid.
Name. Oh my God.
He's more pillows. There's duct tape down there.
Name that seatbelt charm.
Even if I touch this handle, it's gonna fall apart.
Zach Manners.
Okay, there's duct tape.
It's here. Okay.
Wait, Mom, this is different. See? This. It's probably worn
Georgie?
up from the bounce and stuff.